Hello everyone, welcome back to techpulse YouTube channel. Today we will learn how can we install MySQL Workbench on our PC, and we'll also create a database in it. So let's start the video. Open Google Chrome, search here MySQL installer. Click on this entry, download MySQL installer. Now click this download path here, 558.3 MB, 558.3 MB here. Do not click on 2.1 MB. This entry here, download. No thanks, just start my download. And your download has been started now. Just wait for some time. And there our installer has been downloaded. Let's open the download folder. Click on this installer. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Now the installer is opened. Now click here full installation. Now click on next and click on execute. So here you guys can see all our products are installed. So also this installer can take almost half an hour. So if your installer seems stuck, do not take tension, just let it continue. It can even take up to 45 minutes depending upon your setup, your system, your internet connection. So if it seems stuck, then do not take tension, just let it complete. So now click on next, click on next, again click on next, keep everything default, next. Now we will give password to our MySQL. So if you are using it for learning purposes, just give an easy password, but if you are using it for professional uses, then give a good password. I'm just using it for learning purposes, so I will give a simple password, next, and next, execute. Click on finish, next, finish, next. Write your password here, click on check, connection succeeded, next, execute, finish, and next, and uncheck these for now, click on finish. And yes, your MySQL Workbench has been installed along with other services too. If you want to use them, you can, but in this video is only about the MySQL Workbench, so now we'll open it. So here you can see MySQL Workbench is opened. Click on this connection, it will be already made. We made it during our configuration setup. Now write your password here, click on OK. You can also save the password in Vault, that you do not have to enter it again and again. I will save it, OK. And here your workspace is opened. Here is your MySQL query editor. Now we'll make a database using MySQL queries. You can also make a database by using GUI, but in this video we'll use MySQL queries. I already have some saved queries here, so we'll just copy them and paste them here. I will leave these queries down in the description. You can use these queries from there too. So just select each query and execute. First of all, we'll create the table, create the database. My website database has been created. Now we will use this database. Now we'll create a table in this database. Now we'll add data into this table. Here you can see your actions are taking place. Now tables have been created and the data has been added into those tables. Now we'll see the data from those tables. And here you can see all the data which we just entered. Full name, email. In this way you can make a database using MySQL queries, and well, that was pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys understand the topic and everything was clear to you. But if you still have any queries, you can ask those queries down in the comment section. I will try my best to reply them. I will leave these database queries, MySQL queries, down in the description. You can use these queries too, which I used, or you can write your own. So yes, that was pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.